Suzhou Lai Mei Qi Hardware Company Limited was established in 2011, focusing on the design and manufacturing of industrial locking systems. The products are exported to Europe, USA, Japan, etc. Our main products include locks, hinges, handles, cover stays, and relative hardware accessories of subway engineering, automobile manufacturing, explosion-proof tanks, junction boxes, outdoor control cabinets, high-low voltage switch cabinets, and other cabinets. Our tenet is high quality, high efficiency. We have 11 years of experience on industrial lock manufacture, more than 5,000 regular products that ensure sufficient supply and fast delivery.